Good morning, family. This is a community garden update. So we have kale growing here. We got a lot of rain, so it looks like a lot of the this is onions growing here, and carrots down there. We got a lot of rain, so I'm not gonna walk down that way. And this looks like beets or a daikon. I think daikon going down here. And I do know that this is the sweet potatoes. Look at those pretty flowers. That's gorgeous. These are pretty too. And then we got kale growing down here as well. And Swiss chard. That Swiss chard looks amazing. This is cilantro. Look at that. It's so pretty. Coming up really good. A row of cilantro. This row is better. And this is arugula. Wow, really nice. And then this is, looks like either onion or green onion. Really nice. They're growing. And this looks awesome. And this is like a mixed green. A mixed salad. Really growing nicely. And I think the last time I was wondering what these are, more like a mixed green. And then they're trellised. Some stuff. Oh, like, oh, that's right. I think these are like the snow peas or snap peas that we trellis. So, yeah, everything's looking good. A whole roll of those. And then, let's see. These might be beets. I know they had planted some beets. Gold beets and red beets. And this is like more mixed lettuce. Really nice. Awesome. That's our update.